Moomoo has finally launched in Malaysia and they are also throwing out some good deals to acquire new customers like yourself. And not just that, the commission fee is 0% for the first 6 months for all their users. Anyway, if I'm a local broker, I will be sweating right now because Moomoo is here to disrupt the landscape of investing in Malaysia. And we are not just talking about disruption in the sense of the marketing promos that they are throwing out to attract new users, but the overall product offering. As a stock investor myself, I have to say Moomoo Malaysia app is probably one of the best, if not the best trading app that I've seen. So this video, we're going to talk about what's so good about their app, their features and their fee, and how they compare against other trading platforms, and how I personally use Moomoo Malaysia app to develop investment ideas. What can I say? They are a licensed CMSL company regulated by Security Commission to deal in securities, derivatives and clearing. So for those of you who are very worried about the security part, well, SC will be here to jaga your money to make sure that there's no hanky-panky. Nonetheless, if you're talking about track record, they also have been operating for a long time in the US and Singapore, and also regulated with their authorities as well. And if I'm not wrong, in Singapore, 1 in 3 Singaporeans actually have a Moomoo account. So talking about reliability and regulation, well, they got their chalk sign approved. As for the fees, they are the lowest in the market so far. Not lowest by a little bit, you know, but by a huge chunk. In fact, the next lowest fee after Moomoo Malaysia is with some broker, whose minimum fee is $1.88 USD or 0.1% of trading value. While Moomoo Malaysia, it's 99 cent USD plus 0.03% of trading value. So just how much cheaper it is? Let me give you an idea. If you're trading $1,000 in this broker, you will need to pay $1.88 USD. But on Moomoo Malaysia, you only need to pay $1.29. So I really don't know how other brokers are gonna compete with them when it comes to fee. And what more, right now it's 0%. So effectively, you only pay 99 cents USD for every trade, even if it's 1 million ringgit in trade. If you want to find out more in detail, go and check out their full pricing table. You can refer to the Moomoo Malaysia pricing page with the link below. One more fee when it comes to investing in US stock is actually the conversion rate and other than line fee. But on Moomoo, I've checked it and even compared their conversion rate with Wise. It's lower. Wise is already low enough. Moomoo Malaysia conversion rate even lower. So I don't need to say how good a deal it is. And aside from all the fees that I mentioned just now, there are no other fees at all. Now, in terms of depositing your money into Moomoo Malaysia, for now, you actually have to do a bank transfer, which will take 1 to 3 days to reflect in your trading account. But they are working on a more seamless deposit method. So I believe soon you will be able to use stuff such as Do It Now or direct transfer that can immediately see a reflection of that in your trading account. Now let's talk about their feature. And what's exciting about Moomoo Malaysia is not just their lower fee, but all these amazing features that they have. Aside from the ability to trade US stock and Bursa stock all in one platform, and I heard that maybe in future they will even offer trades in other markets as well. I am especially impressed by the depth of data and information they provide. This makes the app not just a place to buy or sell stock, but it makes their app a place to research and discover new stock ideas. And this is one of the reasons why since I discovered Moomoo Malaysia, I've been using their features to generate investment ideas from time to time. Let's take a look at some of these features that I use regularly. First, the industry chain feature. This particular feature highlights the companies that are involved in an industry. It becomes very useful because let's say today you are thinking about investing in a company that's involved in this whole ChatGPT AI industry, but you do not know what are the companies that are involved. What you can do now is just go to the industry chain, then tap the ChatGPT feature. Then you can have an overview of the value chain from upstream to downstream. What are the different components and even the companies that are involved? This will help you to discover the different companies that could benefit from this ChatGPT boom. Second, the institutional tracker. If you want to know what stocks are people like Warren Buffett, George Soros or other famous investors are investing in, here is the place you go. You can go there and find out how they allocate their assets across different industries, different stocks, what are the newest stocks that they bought or sold. I tell you a secret, actually this feature really helped me to discover a stock that made some money the last round. Besides that, it also works as a supporting point if let's say you want to invest in certain companies but you are not sure. Then when you look at other investors who are famous investing in it, that could give you a little bit of confidence boost. The third feature that is regularly used is their Analyst Rating feature. This one really very powerful because at one quick glance they will show you how many analysts think of the stock as a stock to buy, hold or sell. And they will even give you the highest and the lowest price estimate and the average target price. So it gives you a sense of the market sentiment from the perspective from this group of professional financial analysts. And we are not talking about cekai-cekai analysts, okay? We are talking about analysts from big institutions like Wells Fargo, UBS, Morgan Stanley, and so on. So after deep diving into what Moomoo Malaysia is bringing to the table, it is clear that they are not just a trading platform. They are not here to mind, they are here to change the way we trade in Malaysia. What more, now with an unbeatable fee, 0% commission for the first 6 months, I really don't know what to say. Also, they are bringing a slew of innovative features to help you find your next big investment. And for those of you who are worried about security and regulation, well, now they are being regulated by SC. So I have to say, they have really put the power of trading into our hands. Ultimately, I have to say Moomoo Malaysia is really bringing a very stiff competition to the Malaysian market. Other brokers out there are trying their very best to catch up with Moomoo or even try to outperform them. I think it's really going to be an exciting time for us as investors in Malaysia. What do you guys think? Tell us in the comments. Do you think that Moomoo will be dominating the investment industry in Malaysia? Or do you think there are other brokers that could take the center stage after this? Tell us in the comments below.